The Air Jordan 8 White, Black and True Red is officially returning in December 2025, bringing back one of the most iconic sneakers from MJ's legendary 1993 championship run. Known by fans as the Bugs Bunny, this pair stays true to its classic build with a clean white leather upper, soft gray panels, and the signature cross straps that made the AJ8 instantly recognizable. Black accents and a bold red buckle add energy, while touches of true red keep the color blocking lively and eye-catching. The midsole features the Air Jordan 8's famous brushstroke graphic, blending black and red over a cream base for a dynamic, artistic look. A gray sole unit and white-red outsole balance style with performance. Up top, the chenille Jumpman patch and padded collar deliver that authentic early 90s vibe. This 2025 reissue brings back a fan favorite, perfect for collectors, hoopers, and anyone who loves classic Jordan heritage.